Hi there, it's Star. Thank you for stopping by. I am so excited to share with you these vegan blueberry pancakes. Here are the ingredients that I use. Everything will be listed in the description box. And of course, I had to top it with a hash brown and some strawberries, along with some hazelnut chocolate spread. So first, I like to get my flax seeds going with a cup of filtered water because this replaces the egg, but it gives it that consistency that the pancake need. And it recommended that I do 2 parts water to every 1 tablespoon, and I was making a household of pancakes, so I decided to do 2 scoops. Then you're just gonna get a scoop or 2 of the pancake mix, and this is a gluten-free pancake mix. Add in some nut powder, 2 tablespoons, along with some vanilla extract to give it flavor. And this is like the Dominican brand from my local supermarket. Now, I like to use unsweetened almond milk, but you can use water, but it's up to you, and you want to make sure that you mix it and go and get the best consistency, like however you like your pancakes. And by now, the flaxseed will look like this. It's very yucky and like sticky, but it really works. You add in your oil and you mix everything together, give it a nice stir, and you want to top it off with some blueberries so that way it can cook nice and sweet when you put it in the pan. Here I like to get my pan all steamy with my butter, and the butter is going to add the flavor once I pop in a scoop of the pancake. You want to let that cook for about maybe 2 to 3 minutes depending on how high you have your fire going. You don't want to overcook the pancake, but you want it to dry out a little bit at the back so that way you'll know it's time to flip it. And you flip it and it'll look like this. And now it wouldn't be even because you never know how many blueberries you're going to get in each scoop, but that's okay because it's gonna all like spill out and it's gonna be nice and yummy. Now your pancakes are ready to be served. I like to just add it in this tin to keep it nice and warm, and just decorate the plate a little bit. Add in your hazelnut spread, and this is the Justin's brand. I got it from Target. It's really good. I like this way better than Nutella. And I added some blueberries, strawberries, and the icing on the cake is a nice crispy hash brown. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoy. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.